Our subject is business law. Today topic is all all contracts are agreements, but all agreements are not contracts. All agreements are not contracts. This is our topic. Before that, this topic we are going to know about business law. What is the business law? Business law can be denotes it is aggregate body of rules and regulations of the industry, trade, commerce. Industry, trade, commerce. First, what is the industry? What is the commerce and trade? We know about these three things or three words: industry, commerce, trade. Industry, which means it is the plantation of the all sectorial of the factories or area of economic business area. Next one, commerce, which means it is doing a business with the intention of the profit oriented. That is called the commerce. Next one, trade. Trade, which means it is the export and imports of the business. The curriculum is called the trade. Which these are the three things can be aggregate body of the set of the rules. The legal rules can be applicable. That one is called the business law. Next, go to the topic. All contracts are agreements, but all agreements are not contracts. Why? First, we know about in this one contract. Another one agreement. Agreement. The contract is according to Indian Contract Act. The contract is according to Indian Contract Act 1872. 1872. Indian Contract Act 1872. Section 2H declares. Section 2H declares every agreement or it is enforceable by law. It is enforceable by law, which means every condition should be applied to the law. It is relation to the law is called as a contract. Next, another author, one of the famous author giving the definition of Salman, definition of contract, that is Salman. This person is giving the definition about the contract. That one is it is an agreement. It is an agreement creating and defining obligations between parties, between both parties. Okay, it is an agreement creating and defining, which means it can give the new conditions and it can be give a what is the obligations, what is the condition giving that can be preferable or it is explained to them between the both parties. That is called a contract. According to Salman, according to who is giving this definition? Salman is giving this definition. Okay, it is an agreement creating and defining obligations between the parties, between both parties. Okay, next go to the agreement. Agreement. According to Indian Contract Act, according to Indian Contract Act, Section 2E, Section 2E. Indian Contract Act, according to Section 2E, every promise or every set of promise, every set of promises every promise or every set of promises for giving or forming consideration for each other. Once again, according to the Indian Contract Act 1872, Section 2E, every promise or every set of promises for giving, forming consideration for each other. That means giving a promise, it can be give some consideration to the order of the contract. That one is called as a promise or agreement. What is the consideration? Consideration, which means it is a money worth of the value, or in the same value of weight. Okay. Next, go to the promise. What is the promise? According to Section 2B, Indian Contract Act, according to Section 2B, the promise, which means it is a proposal of acceptance. Proposal of acceptance. Proposal of acceptance. What is the proposal and acceptance? We know about this one. The agreement, Hendrik Pollack is giving some equation about the agreement. Agreement is equal to proposal plus acceptance. Proposal plus acceptance. Agreement is equal to proposal plus acceptance. Proposal, which means the person who is making the agreement, somebody, the person giving a promise. That one is called a proposal. Acceptance means the second party who is giving accepting the agreement. That one is called the acceptance, which means the acceptor can be accepting the result or made of the agreement. It is a proposal plus acceptance. It is called as a agreement. Okay. These are the things about contract and agreement, which is the difference and definitions are you are seeing. Next, go to the point of all contracts are agreements, but all agreements are not contracts, which is a saying of side heading or important points. Once we can raise this one. Social agreement. Next one, general agreement. Third one is religion agreement. Fourth one is lawful agreement. We can discuss these four. What is the agreement and what is the contract should be giving a clarity. First one, social agreement. Social agreement, which means it is not creating a lawful obligations. Lawful obligations. It is only giving a family relations of the agreement internal purpose only. That is called the social agreement. It is not clearly related only social things of families only or blood relations, not about the legal things of agreements. Okay, that is called as a social agreement. In this one, we have an example of case Balfour versus Balfour. Balfour versus Balfour. Here, Balfour versus Balfour is husband and wife. Husband and wife. Balfour husband is Mr. One. Balfour was worked at Ceylon. Wife is living in England. Wife is living in England. One day, wife is suffering from fever. He is going to ill health. Then, husband was promised to her, I have to send some of the money every month, thousands of 30 pounds of rupees. 30 pounds every month I can sending the amount to you. But the Balfour, Mr. Balfour was not what is said amount, that is not in sending to the her wife. In this way, it is a general agreement of the wife and husband. So there is no legal obligation or not posing a against suit of about this agreement. Because of this one is relation between the families only. Okay. Then the intention of the wife is going to pose a suit on her husband. The court is giving a result about this one. The justice giving a result. This is a internal profit oriented agreement. That it can be not creating the legal obligations. So we are internally facing the problem only. Okay. This one is case about the social agreement. It is not the legal one. Next one, general agreement. General agreement. What is the general agreement? It is not creating a legal obligations. It is not intending the lawful conditions. Lawful conditions. Social agreement and general agreement are same. Some sequential, it is the friendly relations only applicable. Okay. Suppose we taking an example X and Y. X and Y. X and Y both are friends. X and Y both are friends. X is arranging a dinner at some day to invite his friend Y. In this one, if the person of X is not intending of the arranging dinner, or that time Y, if the person of the work, any type of work, he should not coming to here, there is no legal obligations. It is the internal purpose of the general agreement only. Okay, there is no paying amount of the legal things. It is internal purpose of the things only happening. Okay, then it is called as a general agreement. It is not relation to the law. Next one, religion agreement. What is the religion? Religion, which means it is a purpose of the some things of giving a trust. Okay, it is making of a lawful, sorry, it is making of a constructing building of the religions and giving some trust organizations and giving a some amount of the agreements between the trusts only. It is called as a religion agreement. These are can be only agreements. We can treat it as a agreements, not treating as a lawful consideration, not treated as a lawful objectiveness. Next, last one is the important one, lawful agreement. Lawful agreement, it is called as a contract. It is called as a contract. Okay, it one is very important because of that. It is a creating legal obligation between the parties, which is making a applicable of fulfilling all objectives and all obligations of the contract. That one is called the lawful agreement. It is also have a one equation. That one is agreement plus enforceability by law. Agreement plus enforceability by law, which means the agreement should be making by a some persons. It is relation to the enforceability of the law. That means it can be treated as a registration, or it is a document purpose, or it is a stamp vendor purpose. Anything, it can be relation to the law. That time it can be, we can call as a lawful agreement. So in this the four segments are four-sided heading: social agreement, general agreement, religion agreement and lawful agreement. These are the general things are not relation to the law, but the fourth one is relation to the law, which means the objective fulfilled by the legal obligations only. Okay, then it can be all contracts. All contracts are agreement, which means these are the all agreements. But the lawful is, it is a contract when legal obligations are fulfilled, it is a contract. But all agreements are not contracts. That means the agreement should be not giving a legal relation. So these are the general agreements or social agreements. So the agreements are not creating a contract. It is only general purpose. Okay, this is our topic.